let's go through the morning market, see what's going on with everything. Let's see here. Middle East, military conflicts and aggressive U.S. tariff proposals are dealing with some macro environment stuff. It seems like the capital is out of trade sensitive regions and into energy and defensive assets. I know this morning I'm seeing strong bids on leisure, hospitality, and then we saw regional banks get bid up yesterday, and more of that happening in pre-market. Looks like technology earnings and some central bank policy stuff is kind of trying to move some currency markets there. Got a few tickers out is popping this morning. Let's go through the app and see what's going on. Let's see here. Okay. GLW bought in on that huge pullback yesterday, put a buy order way over above that down bar on the 28th. So down a little bit pre-market, but the thesis still remains. Okay. This thing's going strong. Probably should have put a buy order way under 114, but wanted to be more cautious. Down a little bit. Looks to be good. ONDS. ONDS seems to be doing further consolidation, lowering volume. The bearish volume is less than those two breakout bars. So I'm going to say this is still good a position. Looks to be consolidating with signs of continuation. Cool. EWY, continuing on that Korean stock market play. Looks to be okay. NVDA. I think NVIDIA had some pullback. Yeah, that's not super good. But still over our fill. So we're going to have to watch this today and see where to move this. Okay, PBY. Low volume pullback. We're definitely underwater, but this still looks good. Pre-market right at the last liquidity grab on 29th. Okay, dude, you got a Dell. Not bad. Okay, we got stopped out on now yesterday on my second position, which is unfortunate. So that guy's gone, but we still have our original position. So looking at the original position, that still looks to be decent. Let's see. HPM. Okay. Definitely slowing down. How far are we from break even? Price has to be to 33. It's definitely going to be cool. All right, that's a Claude order. CVX. Let's see how that guy's doing. Okay. Doing pretty good. What's the price target on this? 200. Do we have an alert on that? Yeah. It's a 200. Okay. Still looking good. Cool. That would be a good one if that works out. CSX. Looks like it's consolidating there. And then UNP, definitely over leveraged on that. We might get stopped out on this. Might get stopped out on that. Monster. Yep, looks good. Is that low volume? Not really. Nucor is crushing it. We're up 9% on that guy. Wow. What's the 236? Okay, so we moved our break even triggered yesterday, so we moved the stop up to that guy to break even. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, we'll see what happens with that. Cisco. Come on. Okay. Okay. I think we were down yesterday on light. Now we're back up. This thing's crazy. Wow. Okay. I need to figure out a price target on this, because I do not want to ride this back down. So I mean, what is it? 959. It's basically $100. Okay, 11% away. Let me make sure alert's on for that. Price recovered. Actually, I'm going to move the stop up to this. Well, I shouldn't move the stop if it's healthy. Okay, and then this is leadership stuff. STEM, we're up 129%. It's just wild. Should consider moving to here. Okay, cool. All right, so let's check the let's check out what we're looking at this morning for positions. What's that? Oh, this one. Okay, I'm going to put a 15-minute on AEHR. And then I will not do that on Caterpillar. Had some signals come through this morning. More of the travel leisure. So that's definitely going to be a gap fill. So we're definitely doing TNL. That's a good consolidation play. We've got a ton of these banks coming through. Yeah. PK. This would be a good 15-minute. I don't like that one. What we got here? I don't like that. Okay, that one I definitely will be doing a 15 on. That's cool. CVI. That's a good consolidator. Yeah, I like that. Oops. Not a fan of that. This one, some sort of investment trust. This one looks cool. We'll see if that's a 15. I've played this before. I already have the measures out here on November 2024 high. It looks like it blew through that. I was looking at that back in January. Made some money on that. Yeah, this would be a good one. A high and tight flag. And then, I mean, that's a good high and tight flag, I guess. Okay, and then this morning we had a buy order from Claude on VALE. So that'll be interesting to see what happens with that. Cool. Let's go to, let's see what's going on in the Borg. David is absolutely crushing it at 30R. Yeah. Okay. A lot of good action going on in the Borg. I'm trying to catch up. I've spent months doing really bad algo trading, so I'm trying to get back to my roots of just charts and run that for a few months and see how that goes. But yeah, that's the stuff that we're looking at for the morning. That's a run through on the positions that we got. Got a buy order from Claude. So yeah, hopefully this makes sense. See you guys tomorrow.